Disclaimer, this is a work of fiction. Please don't be an idiot and play these stones in the air. Doing so will get you banned, or get in prison for 5 years for causing massive panic and confusion. Anyways, grab a slice of pizza and enjoy. This message has been transmitted at the request that the Gastonia Police Department. A local area emergency has been issued due to reports coming in of a very tall figure. This person is described as a white male, approximately 11 feet tall, once wearing a green hat and green shirt, with blue overalls and brown shoes. He has a brown mustache, black eye socket with no pupils, and brown hair, once also wearing gloves. He was confirmed to be biting people's heads off. If you get sighted, call 911. Stay tuned for further information on the situation.
Civil danger warning for Gastonia until further notice. The following message has been transmitted at the request at the Gastonia Police Department. The person that was described to be biting people's heads off has been confirmed. His name is Mr. L from the popular 2022 game called Late.EXE. It's also been confirmed that people have reported to see a file open up on their computer. People who open up the file died. If you open the file, Mr. L will come to your location to bite off your head. Stay tuned for further information on this dangerous situation.
The National Weather Service in North Carolina has issued a tornado warning for Gastonia. This is mainly because of a laughter from Mr. L capable of producing a tornado. The more Mr. L laughs, the faster it rotates. This tornado was rapidly spinning around 140 miles per hour. Do not wait to hear or see the tornado. Stay tuned for further information, and a tornado warning has been issued for Gastonia until further notice. The National Weather Service in North Carolina has issued a high wind warning for Gastonia. Mr. L laughed 20 times. Extreme winds were gusting up to 200 miles per hour. Do not go outside as you will get blown away. A high wind warning has been issued for Gastonia until further notice. Immediate evacuation for Gastonia until further notice. The following message has been transmitted at the request at the Gastonia Police Department. The big battle between Kameron, the young bombers, and Mr. L will start. You must battle or seek shelter. The battle will last for 5 days. This is Top from the emergency alert system signing off for 5 days. All clear. Repeating. All clear. Mr. L has been defeated. Repeating. Mr. L has been defeated. You may exit out of your shelters. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for watching this video. On EAS Tools you can make your own EAS alerts by using select voice and text-to-speech announcements. You can also download the audio file and add them to your EAS scenario. Thanks for watching. If you want to watch the full completed Season 1 of EAS Scenario Fan 2020, click on the left of your screen and on the right of your screen. Please subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you later.